Here's the video everybody's been waiting for. The John Deere 410 loader backhoe finally runs after the engine was rebuilt. If you haven't seen any of the videos on this engine rebuild, they'll be called right up here, top corner of your screen. Be sure to go check that out and watch all those videos. It's been quite the process. It's been just about a year. It'll be a year here in like another week or two when I got started on this. And here's a video clip of the first time of it starting. Now it's a little bit slower starting there. Like I said, that's the first time starting. It smoked a lot because we had a bunch of stuff. We've done oil and stuff down cylinders. And so obviously there's going to be more smoke on a first startup. Now I have run this backhoe a little bit last night. I filmed some of it, as you can see here. But it was getting dim enough. The camera quality is not great, so I decided to just start over. So I haven't really found too many problems yet. So far, the only issues I had were a couple of heater lines leaking inside the cab, and the hose clamps just weren't as tight as they could have been. Tightened them up, seems to be fine. After it ran for a few minutes, the temperature gauge started to go up, and I checked water on it, and it was about a gallon low on water. I filled it completely up before we started, but as the water circulated, it got the air moved out of it. So that wasn't a big deal. Just put another gallon of antifreeze in it. And today's going to be our first official test run. I'm probably going to run it most of today, try to get the engine broken, and we'll see on if we can't get some work done and see how the old machine runs. So I'm going to go ahead, hop in the cab here, get it warmed up, and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm not able to take it for a joyride just yet. We had some cylinder issues here, and the cylinder issues turned out not to be cylinder issues. I'll cover it here in another video. So I do not have any more footage of this machine running, but be sure to subscribe
because it's going to be back up and going here probably the next day, and I'm going to be doing a bunch of videos on it, and we're going to be putting it to work and seeing how it holds up. So this isn't going to be the big, fun, exciting video you were probably hoping it was going to be, and to be honest, it's not really the one I was wanting to be either, but it is what it is, and the engine does run really good. It starts right up. It is way quieter than what it ever was before, so it has really turned out well. I haven't gotten the engine broken in yet, but I'm hoping to do that here as soon as my cylinder issue is resolved. And I appreciate you guys sticking with me throughout this whole build. Like I said earlier in the video, it's been close to a year since this project has started, and in some ways it seems like it's been a lot longer. Other ways it seems like it hasn't been that long. And I want to thank everybody for sticking with me through it, and all the new subscribers I've gained. And I never knew there's so many people out there working on these older machines like this. So it was great to meet everyone that's working on the machines, and I appreciate everybody commenting and emailing me. And hopefully my videos had helped out some of you. I know you guys really helped me out on some issues I was having. And by keeping these videos posting all the time, it really helped me stick with this and make sure I got it rebuilt, got it finished. And it's not just still sitting here in pieces and never getting done. But anyway, though, I just want to get this posted to say it does run, let you guys hear it, let you guys see the hoe do a little bit of work, and there are a lot of videos coming up on this machine. Going to be doing a lot of work with the machine here around the property, and we're still going to be doing a lot of work to the machine, and going to be getting the cylinders all rebuilt. I had really bad experiences with the outriggers, but then I just tackled the one tilt cylinder here for the loader bucket, and it went really easy, really smooth, so I'm probably going to attempt to do the rest of it. So I have a video coming out on rebuilding that cylinder. It'll probably be, I don't know, next week sometime. I'm not sure when. It's all filmed. It's just depends on when I get it edited, and I like to get some footage of this machine working before I post more videos of actually doing work to the machine, because I know everybody's probably getting sick of those videos. Anyway, though, so I really appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Leave comments down below. Give the video a like. It helps me out a ton if you guys like the video. And I will see you next week. Thanks for watching.